Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on Munchkin's quilt that we did as a block of the month all last year. That was for 2019. Him and I worked every single month on getting this together for him, and it looks beautiful. So what I'm pretty much almost done. I'd say 98% done. There's a couple little things I need to tweak out. Yeah, no, it's turning out nice. It's looking really nice. Got some stones around the green part here, and now I'm just going to make some more of the bigger bricky stones or castle stones to go around the tower. So I've kind of been plugging away at it. And it's off the belts, 12 stitches per inch, and I'm just doing some straight line and then kind of coming up into the half of the one that was already been there, like bricks normally do. Okay, and then for this part, I'm just going to follow it up. Follow it down a bit, trying to get more of a better angle. They're not always going to line up because that's the way bricks are, but you do kind of want to do your best. Okay. And you're just going to make your way across the quilt. Simple little brick idea. You know, it doesn't have to go too far. Oops, missed a spot back here. I was kind of keeping the white to something a bit different, but we can definitely work our way around. This will go all the way to the end and then fill in between. Okay. It's the best way to work around yourself of windows stuff. Thin ones, some thick ones. And in no time at all, you have it done. And really does give that whole beautiful overall stone effect over the whole quilt. So it's very beautiful. I'm glad we did it together. There's some fox and bears and beavers, and we are going to put in the griffin, the dragon, and the Pegasus. We just want to click them out in the software first so I can get them to stitch out really dark. I'm going to use some dark thread and do it 2 or 3 times so they really kind of stand out in the whole background of this photo of the quilt. So I'm happy with it. I know he's happy with it. So I'm trying to get it done to the point where we can get it to him, and then we can always add the other bits later. So that's not a big deal. So thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing and supporting us here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and all your kind words. They are greatly appreciated. And we will see you on Weekend Project. We'll have something a little fun, a little bit different. We know it's Easter coming up. It doesn't really feel like Easter, but we'll do something. Maybe not be completely Eastery, but it'll be fun, a fun little project. Be no sewing involved. Yay! That'll be a nice little change. Have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday, and we will see you very soon, and definitely for Saturday for the live stream. Okay? Take care, everybody. Big hugs from us. See you soon.